In today's video, I'm going to teach you remove people in 15 seconds with Photoshop. To get started, open Adobe Photoshop on the web. Once the site loads, give it a moment so the home page fully appears. From there, click Sign In so you can access the editing tools. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred sign-in method. Just select the option you normally use and complete the login process. After that, you'll be taken into the Photoshop workspace where you can start a new project and upload your image. Now that you're inside Photoshop, click the plus icon labeled New. This opens the options for creating or importing a file. Since we want to edit an existing image, click Upload File and then choose Upload from Computer. A file browser will open, and from there you can select the photo you want to work on. Once your image uploads, Photoshop will place it into the editor so you can begin the cleanup. With your image open, go to the Retouch section. This is where Photoshop keeps tools designed to fix distractions, blemishes, and unwanted objects in a photo. Inside Retouch, select the Spot Healing brush. This is the key tool for this quick edit because it can automatically sample nearby areas and blend over the person you want to remove. It's one of the fastest ways to clean up a photo without needing advanced selections or manual cloning. At this point, adjust your view if needed so you can clearly see the person or area you want to remove. Then, using the Spot Healing brush, paint directly over the person. Try to cover the full subject, but keep your brushstrokes controlled and close to the edges of the person for the most natural result. Photoshop will analyze the surrounding image and replace that area with matching texture and detail. If the person is small or the background is simple, this can work almost instantly. For best results, use a brush size that's just a little larger than the area you're covering. That helps Photoshop blend more accurately. If needed, make a second pass over any leftover edges or shadows until the image looks clean, and that's it. You've uploaded your photo, opened the Retouch tools, selected the Spot Healing brush, and removed unwanted people in just a few quick clicks. This is a fast and beginner-friendly method, especially for backgrounds like skies, walls, sand, or grass where the surrounding texture is easier to rebuild. Once you're happy with the result, your image is ready for the next edit or for export.